Smooth in May, but not just for today, it's for every day.
So it's important because not only is there a huge evidence base that mobilising soon after surgery has better outcomes, but also it means that patients don't have to stay as long in hospital. They can go back to the comforts of their own home. It's really rewarding to see people who have been either unable to mobilise themselves for a while and then actually are able to come to the surgical ward, and the team here are great at getting them up and active as soon as possible. So it's really rewarding to see.
From a physiotherapy perspective, we normally start from quite a functional approach, making sure that people are getting up and out of bed, making sure that they're able to mobilise with or without an aid, and when we're then thinking about home, making sure they can do all the things for home. It just feels really rewarding, making sure that people can get back to their independence. I think it's really lovely to see when patients are motivated to do that, and working with myself and our colleagues, the whole team really getting back to doing what's normal for them really. Getting up and moving reduces your risk of deconditioning, it ensures that you can get back to your independence, it reduces your risk of getting an infection post-op from a respiratory perspective as well. I want to stress that it's not just for May, but we're taking this initiative to encourage people to get up and move.